Hello kids, today we learn bird's name with videos. So let's start. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Owl, O-W-L, owl, O-W-L, owl. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Crow, C-R-O-W, crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Swan, S-W-A-N, swan, S-W-A-N, swan. Seagull, S-E-A-G-U-L-L, seagull, S-E-A-G-U-L-L, seagull. Pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Cock, C-O-C-K, cock, C-O-C-K, cock. Hen, H-E-N, hen, H-E-N, hen. Okay kids, bye bye and keep learning. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thank you for watching.